Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole, and in today's video I will be making a healthy chicken and quinoa skillet. Start off by cooking the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes. You don't have to, but I lightly seasoned my chicken before adding it to my pot with some salt and pepper. I'm really stepping out of my comfort zone for this dish because it's only my second time ever cooking chicken on the stove. My first time ever cooking quinoa on my own, and I think zucchini later on as well. This is an easy, healthy, one-pot recipe that's packed with protein and fiber, which support both weight loss and glucose control. It's also packed with vitamin C and vitamin A and antioxidants from the vegetables that we'll be adding in later. So this is a really great option if you're looking to make something more balanced and healthier. Add 1 onion diced. Oh yeah, and then we're going to cook that for about 2 minutes with the chicken. I'm adding in 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, and 3 garlic cloves minced. Ooh, okay, we got this. Add 1 zucchini. Cook all of that together for about 5 minutes. After the veggies have been softened a little bit, add 1 diced tomato. Add 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans. I'm cooking for 6 people, so I'm adding 1.5 cups of quinoa. You don't have to use that much if you're cooking for less people, but I want to make sure that it is filling for my family. Add 3 cups of low sodium chicken broth. And now for the seasonings. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika. Mix that all in together, bring it to a simmer, and then we will be boiling it with the lid on for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the quinoa is soft and has absorbed the liquid. This next step is optional if you're looking to stay away from sodium and extra fat. You don't have to add in this step, but if you know me, you know what's coming next. Cheese. I'm adding 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese to the top of this. You know, despite being blind and not being able to see what I'm making, I really do try to make my food look pretty. So, you know, if you do have working eyeballs, please compliment my food if you think it looks pretty. It definitely gives me a confidence boost. Alright, now that the cheese has been added, our heat is turned down to low. We're going to add the lid back and let it melt for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, I love being blind. Alright, here we have it, the final product. How does it look? It smells amazing. And now the moment of truth. Let's try the product. Oh my god. That is incredible. Wow. Healthy and tasty.